With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given? Consider two electric dipole P1 and P2 placed at 0, 0 and 1, root 2. Okay, this is one of the dipole, this is another dipole. Now the center of these dipoles are fixed so that one can rotate about their centers, but the center cannot move. So they can rotate, but they cannot move. Now we need to answer this. Now P2 is fixed in the equilibrium position obtained in the last question, and P1 is released. So P2 is fixed and P1 we are releasing P1. So in the equilibrium position, P1 will point along. We need to find along which axis, whether it will be pointing along X or Y axis, sorry, or along the line joining P1, P2, or they would be making an acute angle with the positive X axis. Okay. Now, if we draw our situation, if we draw in the last example, so our dipole P2 was in this location. We have got this location of our dipole, and P1 we know that it is like this. Okay, this is our P1. So basically this is the dipole. We have just make it to be bigger. So this is our P1 and this is our P2. Okay, this was the last location. Now in this condition, this is fixed. Okay, now this can be rotated. Now if we check for this, what would be the electric field direction of the electric field that would be acting? So this is the direction of the dipole. So from negative to positive, one direction of electric field would be in this direction. Okay, along here, and due to this is our P2. P2 is fixed. P2 is fixed and P1 can rotate. So this is our P1 and this is our P2. Now P2, we can say that we have made it wrong. We have just written like this. So this is our P2 and this is our P1. Now this is the direction of the electric field due to our this P1. So we call this as E1, and due to this P2, what would be the direction? So it would be along any point on this, it would be along the direction of the P2. Okay, from the negative to the positive. So it would be like this. Okay, this is our E2. Now that means the net electric field which would be acting would making some angle. So this would be the direction of the net electric field. Okay, this would be the E net direction. E net. Now this is our angle theta. So how will this dipole try to rotate? So it would try to rotate in the direction of the electric field. Why? Because the potential energy would be minimum. For this case, we say that potential energy this would be given as minus P into E net into cos of theta. Now this would be the minimum when theta is basically 0. Theta between what and what? Dipole. So initially this is the direction of the dipole. If it can align itself along the direction of the electric field, then only our PE would be minimum. Okay, that means the dipole would be making a line, making an acute angle with the positive x-axis. So the correct option would be our D option. Okay, because this is the direction of the net electric field line along which its energy would be minimum. So hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.